right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing.
Good morning, family. Hope you're all having a wonderful Monday, and me too. I'm having a wonderful Monday, but then my day didn't start that well. So yesterday I was busy doing my blogs, and at 12 o'clock at night I lost all my work, and it was so stressing. But anyway, here we are. I am just stressing and just releasing my frustrations today. The blog was about, I did a 5-day future life brain flakes with probiotic sachets review. So yesterday I decided that I was going to kill two birds with one stone, and just instead of uploading in Instagram, I'll upload in my blog, in my WordPress, and then I'll just share the link to my Instagram. So I did all the writing. I think I had like 500 to 600 words with pictures of day 1 till day 5. Just when I pressed enter, I don't know what happened, the whole page just went blank and it took me out of the site. I even had to go and re-enter my password in order to get through. And I was so frustrated. By the time I went to bed, I was like, it's too much. But also that has taught me not to give up. So just as I was about to go to bed yesterday, actually this morning, feeling all frustrated because all my hard work just went down the drain, I had this book near my bed. I hope you'll see it. And then what I normally do is, whenever I'm having a bad time or I just need answers, what I will do is I will ask myself a question. And sorry about that, my space is really messing with me, so I think I'll have to buy new gadgets whether I like it or not. As I was saying, that most of the times when I've got a lot on my mind and I want some answers, what I will do is I'll just open a book, a magazine, a newspaper, and I'll read something which will resonate to wherever I'll be going through. So yesterday, before I slept, or before I went to bed disappointed, I took this book and I opened it. It just got open in page 212. And the first passage which caught my mind, the book is the Lasting Happiness in a Changing World, the Book of Joy, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Archbishop Desmond Tutu. So I'll tell you more about the book as we go, but now we're not talking about the book, we're talking about my frustrations and how I found comfort in the book. So the first paragraph which caught my mind to whatever I was feeling after my blog failed last night was, it says, now we should also realize that recognition of our own limitations and weaknesses can be very positive. This can be wisdom. If you realize that you are inadequate in some way, then you develop effort. If you think everything is fine and I'm okay just as I am, then you will not try to develop further. There is a Tim Burton saying that wisdom is like rainwater, both gather in the low places. There is another saying that when the spring bloom comes, where does it start? Does it start on the hilltops or down in the valleys first? Growth begins first in the low places. So similarly, if you remain humble, then there is the possibility to keep learning. So I just thought that whatever happened with my blog yesterday was just part of learning, continue being able to laugh at myself, and maybe I was just supposed to do it better. Yeah, so I went to bed a bit disappointed, but at the same time, what got me through is the fact that I said, I'm going to do it better, I'll do it again. So that's today, I'm busy with that. The blog actually was about the future life brain flex, and with the probiotic sachets. So I've been reviewing this product for this is my second week now. You can see this is my 6th day because I couldn't do 7 days last week. I had 2 days which I didn't eat the product, but for 5 days I've used it, and yeah. And for today as well, we're still having it, but I'm having it now with some I'm having it with yogurt now. This is how it is. So as I said, I started using this product last week. I think I did share how I got the product last week, so I won't go into details how I got the product. So once I got the product, and I decided that I was going to do a product review. Oh, by the way, I am learning a lot, let me just say, because one of the things which I decided to do a product review on Future Life is that I've been reading and I've been watching a lot of YouTube channels, especially South Africans ones, and those which seems they are doing fine, or they're doing well, or they know what they're doing. And I think I have subscribed to some as well. So what I've learned is there's one which I think, I'm not sure her name is, I don't know them much, but I think she's the first person which I subscribed to. One of the main important things she said was create your own content. She was like, if you don't wait for companies or people to say, hey, we would like to use you. What you do is you get a product which you love or you enjoy, and you just create content for that product, which that really worked for me, because what I did is the Future Life, which I had I was creating content for my Instagram almost every day using the Future Life, which was kind of easy. And then also with my YouTube, now it kind of feels like I do have some sort of a direction in what I'm doing. So as you will see in the video, we've got a steamy yoga session, but I don't mind too much about the yoga. It's just to let you know what all yoga is all about. But I think I'll find my niche now, and what I will be doing more is I'll be adding more yoga sessions, like yoga for beginners and the different kind of yogas as well, because I, for example, do like 4 to 5 different kinds of yogas, and they all incorporated into what I want. And yes, I'm one of those, I'm not lying or bragging, but I am a vegetarian. I don't eat meat, and yes, I do wake up early in the morning and do yoga or any fitness. So the influencer challenge, people, somebody's really like that. So if I have to do the influencer challenge in my house, nobody will raise an eyebrow. They will even add stuff which I forgot to add on how crazy I go. So my lifestyle is all incorporated with yoga, meditation, focusing on nature and so on, which I enjoy. But for now, I'm still enjoying this Future Life, and also please do enjoy the video which you're about to watch. There's nothing much in the video, just my typical day doing yoga, having smoothies and Future Life brain flakes, and also taking a walk around my block. So I'm really having fun with what I'm doing, and I hope that I'm finding my rhythm and it will work. Gosh, I've been talking the whole time, but I'm supposed to eat. Hopefully next time when I upload, it will be a yoga video for beginners, and also a proper review of the product, because for now I don't want to do a review on when I think of the product or so on, because my heart is still breaking. I already wrote down my review, which just disappeared. But at the same time, I blame myself because I should know better. It's not the first time whereby if I write on the site, on the blogging site, something happens and I have to upload. But if I write on my notes and then just send my link to my site, it works best. But anyway, it's that day. There's nothing I can do. Do enjoy the video. Do share any thoughts, and also do subscribe. And I do enjoy, and thank you very much for all the love and support as well. I'm really enjoying the growth I'm seeing. It also is motivating me to try to clean up my act. That's why I say I think I might be getting gadgets soon. So yeah, have all a wonderful day. And for me, after breakfast, it's garden, laundry. I think I'm doing garden and laundry today, and then I'll do the yoga video. I'll do the yoga video for maybe Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah. And yeah, we're still excited because with the whole creating a content, I managed to make my future life product content stretch. So I'm not sure when I'm getting a delivery, but I'm waiting for a goodie bag from Future Life. Yeah, it was from the online race which I registered for when I came back from getting the freebies, and then it turns out that for the first 500 registered contenders, you get a Herbalife Future Life goodie bag. Herbalife, where do I get with that? You get a Future Life goodie bag. So on Thursday, whenever I received an SMS saying that actually I made to the first, I don't know if it was 500 or 300, I'm not sure. So I qualified for a Future Life goodie bag. So now I'm waiting for the goodie bag, and which means that our Future Life content is still going to grow. So I'm excited. So I believe that when we're done having the brain flakes, we might be reviewing something else. On Wednesday, we'll be doing a proper review of the brain flakes with the probiotic sachets. I will be telling you what I think of the product. Did I enjoy it? Would I recommend it? So see you all on Wednesday. Hopefully you all are having a nice time. Happy day. Please do subscribe, give me some love, and I hope you all are having some wonderful Monday, beginning of the week. And editing is not easy. If I must just say that everything which I'm doing, it's not easy, and it's a learning curve. It's so new, and I don't want to give up. I want to really do this, and I want to have fun while doing it. And yeah, you will see that in the yoga video which we have. It's all about fun. You don't have to do all that stretching hard which I'm doing. I will break down the yoga eventually, but for now, do get motivated, get inspired, and start doing something. We'll do yoga according to belly fat losing, or according to wherever I feel like we have to do it. I'll teach you actually how to lose weight or maintain weight, or how to lose tummy fat with yoga. So all of those things are possible. I just need to have a proper planning, because sometimes this editing is just frustrating. But yeah, we do have a product which we're working with now, which is Future Life. I'm excited, and we'll see which other Future Life products we'll review. So Wednesday, I'll be I'll be giving you a full review of the bar of the brain flakes with probiotic searches, what you think of it. And I like the box, firstly, because the box has got all these information which you really, really need to understand, like what smart tips for digestive health. This is the back part of the box, just to show you a brief of it. And yeah, and this is the side of the box. It's full of information, so you can't really say once you've done this. Remember, I said read your food labels, and they've got like a whole stack here of what's going on. And then yeah, and this is the fun part, and you get your probiotics. And to tell you the truth, it says here 10 sachets and 10 single servings, né? So for me, I kind of feel like these are more than 10. I'm not complaining. I'm actually was surprised, because I thought I was going to review this maybe until these were finished, or I don't know, because I thought there were 10 inside. So I have been using them, and yeah. Because these are the information which are like smart tips for digestive health. It says it's increase your daily fiber intake by eating fiber-rich foods. Yes, you do need to eat like whole grains and so on. Slow down when eating and chew your food well. Yes, you do not eat your food in a rush. You have to sit down and just chew your food properly and relaxed. And then drink the recommended 8 glasses of water per day to remain hydrated. Yes, but then when you're starting again, you don't have to go for the 8. You can start by having a liter of water, and every hour go take a sip, go drink some, go drink a half a glass, and from every hour, until you get used to drinking water each hour. That's the trick, how you drink more water. You just go every hour, stand up, go drink a half a glass cup of water, whatever you feel comfortable with. And another tip, exercise regularly to promote an active metabolism. Yes, that's true, and I will share some yoga sessions where we will deal with the metabolisms, how to keep it clean, how to keep it moving, how to stay free, how to stay fresh and calm without your stomach acting on you, without people saying you are full of ish. And yes, it's a balanced diet with a variety of fruit and vegetables. Yeah, as I said, to me, I don't have that problem. I'm already eating the variety of fruits and vegetables, seeing that I said I was a vegetarian. So yeah, hope you all are having we will have a wonderful time. And gosh, I need to go do some girly makeup in the future, but not now. And have fun. We're not going to current affairs now. It's too much happening. I can tell you, there's the Minister of Defense Force, which she is in hot soup, but that's news for another day. Today we're just focusing on getting fit and my frustration of my blog yesterday. And yeah, hopefully we'll do some garden and laundry. I'm already busy with laundry, so I'll still have to go do the garden if I can, but then I've got a lot of things which needs to be planned. And I also want to clean the house. I was supposed to go to a meeting today, but the meeting was me and husband and another partner. But I realized that with me and husband in the same meeting, we're already partners, and whatever he tells me, he gets from the meeting will come back and tell me, delegate. Yeah, so I backed off the meeting for today, so I should be home for the day. And no content creating for Instagram today. Or what? I don't know. I'll just share the YouTube channel part.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
guys, we are out going down. No, I said I was not gonna go out today, but then something happened and I had to be out. So I'm meeting husband down for the meeting, which is still taking place. Am I the only one which had a problem with the mask when you're wearing glasses or spectacles? You kind of find your glasses become foggy and you can't really breathe properly. That's the only thing I hate about this whole pandemic is the wearing of the mask. It's difficult, and I think this mask makes people feel more hot and warm. So yeah, almost there. This is me going down and wearing a mask. I don't know why I'm wearing a black cloth when we had like a lot of baboons along the way today. And I'm worried because my garden is not closed. So if the baboons have to go up, they're really going to mess my garden as usual. But we managed to close it. The baboons came. So husband just called us now to confirm whether I'm on my way. As you can see, my delegation work didn't work, so I'm rushing down to the meeting, which the meeting's supposed to be at 2 o'clock. So I'm on my way. I can't show you people what I'm wearing because I'm not about that life. If I was gonna do yoga, I was gonna show you yoga. And to us, it's easy going down to the main road, Simonstown main road, from up the mountain when we're walking than when we're driving. Because when we're driving, it's a long-ish drive right around the mountain. But when you're walking, it takes you 20 minutes when you're just walking, or more than 20 minutes if you're a slow person. It depends how fast you walk.